Welcome to pkpioneers.com, tutorials. Today we will show you how to save and append data in point of sale for Sage 300 or ACCPAC. The file exported from Export Data Software. You will receive an email with data file. Open the email and copy the file and then paste the file on the desktop. Now cut the file, send. Zip and open this PC, then open C drive. Here open folder named HO data. If file is already present there, the first delete it and then paste the new file. Once the file is pasted, open point of sale software. Now click on Tools on top menu bar. In that, click on Append Data option. A new window will appear. Here click on Import the data file. Start to import all the data along with transfer documents if selected at the time of data export from head office. Now you know how to append data in point of sale. Please like, share and subscribe.